Morning everyone, it's Chris here at Cobalt Systems. Just thought I'd take the time to show you our new pallet wrapper, part of our new CoWrap range, just before we get it sent off to one of our customers. So a couple of quick features. So this will actually pre-stretch the wrap before it goes on the pallet. It just means you're using less plastic, so it's less waste, and it gives you a nice consistent tension around the pallet. One of the unique things that we can do at Cobalt is integrate it with our own print and apply system that we build here. So what we can essentially do is, when it's finishing its wrap, when it's essentially one rotation from completion, we can stop it, send a signal to our labeler to print and apply the first pallet label, and then we can complete the cycle, send the signal to our labeler saying it's complete, and then we can attach the second label, so you've got two adjacent pallet labels then, all in one motion, and then the pallet's ready to go at the door. So if you're looking to improve your efficiencies, reduce waste, and to automate some of your end-of-line packaging processes, give us a shout.